Welcome to Jackson Gate, and doors, you can see straight through to the back. Quite awe-inspiring sight really. And now I can zoom in a bit. Let's see how close. Looks like they started stripping the side, the annex bit at the side. That's as close as I can get, but it's amazing to see. Hard to imagine that it's being completely restored. It's going to be great. I'm really looking forward to this. It's going to be such an amazing sight to see it finished. It's an amazing sight to see it as it is, like a skeleton, but I don't want it to stay like that. We need to be skidding. And by the look of it, they're starting on the other door now. I wonder when they'll start stripping that off. It's all looking good. There's shed 2. Nothing much happening over there at the minute. All the action's happening in shed 1. Or one shed 1. So there we go. Right. Dinner awaits me. Time I popped off, so that's the video restoration diaries over for another day. Alright guys, cheers.